A story that will affect thousands of students. They could be left in the lurch as the deadlock between the Delhi University and the University Grants Commission intensifies. The UGC has now issued an ultimatum asking for the 4-year course to be scrapped, but DU is sticking to its stand, refusing to adhere to the UGC's instructions.
A day to go for admission to the undergraduate program. But students find themselves in the middle of a tussle between the Delhi University and UGC.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम में पॉलिटिकल उसको नहीं बनाना चाहिए, इसको प्योर एजुकेशन को पॉलिटिक्स से दूर रखना चाहिए। एक सरकार का मुद्दा एजुकेशन से दूर होना चाहिए। इसमें इस बात की सिंपल पॉइंट एजेंडा है।
The extra 4th year that has been put in has no added academic value. It will be extra expense for students, 33% extra for a poor country that has to be justified. And second, that the cost that they actually showed us was absolutely shocking, because more than 1/4 of the cost is a repetition of school leaving courses.
The UGC now taking a tough stand, asking Delhi University to conduct admission only for the 3-year course. Even setting a deadline, the UGC warning university of dire consequences if it fails to toe the line. This tough talk coming just a day after DU refused to scrap the 4-year course. But caught in this crossfire between the education bodies are students whose future hangs by the thread.
FYUP is the gross violation of national education policy, which is 10+2+3. It is going to increase the inequality within the university.
And I believe it's a good sign, good thing that has happened, because the FYUP was introduced in such an haste that no reputed university in the world can even imagine it happening.
For now, some student bodies and teachers have welcomed the UGC move. But the question is, will Delhi University budge from its stand and think about the students' future? Bureau Report, Times Now.
The clock is literally ticking for thousands of students who are waiting to get admission to the Delhi University, and tracking all the developments is Samya. She joins us live now on the morning prime time. Samya, now that the UGC has made it very clear that if the DU does not scrap its 4-year program, then it could risk losing the grants it gets from UGC. Is the DU finally going to agree?
Well, at this point in time, it's essential for me to tell you that the admission process under the Delhi University, which was supposed to start from tomorrow onwards, will get delayed. Now, this change in the format from the 4-year course to the 3-year course may come as a breather for many DU aspirants, but it also spells trouble for many students who already enrolled under FYUP who stand a chance at losing a year. Now, UGC has sent a directive to Delhi University stating that in the current session, admissions must only be carried out under the 3-year program and not under FYUP, and that enough provision should be made in place to ensure that the students be migrated from the 4-year course and to the 3-year course in a manner that they do not lose a year. And here onwards, that all sessions must adhere to the NPE, which is the National Policy of Education format of 10+2+3, and not the FYUP. Now, there are many students whose fate lie in lurch right now. It depends, needs to be seen what lies ahead of them as far as options are concerned, because their courses, which was from the 4-year course, would now come down to 3-year course, and how would they try and accommodate themselves? I have a few students with me. Let me take through them. Are you in favor of FYUP, and what would now be the fate of the students who stand a chance at losing a year who are already under the FYUP?
FYUP should be rolled back immediately. It is our demand. We have been demanding that from last 1 year. When you are talking about the fate of the students, then I must say that the campaign which is started under the banner of Save DU campaign gave an alternative to the university, that the 4-year program could be rolled back into a 3-year by removing the foundation courses and adding the core DC papers in the 3 years.
But don't you think it's unfair for those students who are already under FYUP? They would stand a chance at losing a year?
No, if you are turning that into a 3-year course, they would not lose a chance. Means they must be seeking for a 3-year degree course, perhaps, because the burden of one additional year, the financial cost of 1 year, had been imposed last year over them without talking to the student community, without talking to the teachers community.
There you hear it from the students who are in favor of FYUP, because this perhaps would definitely in a way jeopardize the current batch of students under FYUP, but then again it may save the students in the following batches in the future not to go under this ordeal again.